beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. And today I'm going to show you how to turn the basic pumps in your closet into something should happen, because I know we all have pumps that, sometimes you just get tired of wearing. You want to spice it up. You don't want to buy a new pair, so just follow this video and you can change your pumps into something popping, And all you need is a leather. My shoes were leather, so I used leather fabric, scissors, a hot glue gun, and a lace with grommets. I think that's what that's called. But y'all saw it. That was the first thing I showed. So guys, of course, you have to measure. Okay, otherwise it's not gonna come out even. It's just gonna come out lopsided and everything else. So use your measuring tape, okay? And I measured, right here, I was just winging it. I didn't measure nothing yet, but you're gonna find out that it is important to measure your foot, around your foot, so you know exactly, where to go. Especially if you don't buy too much fabric, you know where to put stuff. So I just measured stuff. I used the lines to do it properly and straight, as you can see. And I cut it out and everything. That's what you're supposed to do, cut it out. And then yeah. And guys, I always made sure that I checked it around my foot, so I know that it fits. You have to keep doing that. Alright? Ignore my ashy hands, but you gotta keep measuring it. And that's how I wanted it. So I did the exact thing to the second square. Obviously you need two of these, a pair of shoes. So I did the same thing. I traced it, and then I used the ruler to, cut it straight. And then I cut it out. So guys, the next step is to take your trim, obviously to cover the edges, and obviously you needed to put the laces through it. So just cut out exactly how long you want it to be so that it covers the edges of it. Just like that, just two identical pieces. Make sure they match. And so yeah, as you can see, I went in and I glued them. I glued the first one down just so y'all can see off camera. And so right now I'm gonna be doing it on camera. I really think that this is self-explanatory. I'm kind of just gluing it to the sides. And guys, let me make this clear. Please measure it correctly. Don't put it lopsided. And don't cover the holes, because there are holes in it. Just try to put it on the edge, right there. Put it on the edge, because if you cover the holes, don't cover those, right? Don't cover those. Put it on the edge. Otherwise, your laces are not going to be able to be laced. All right, y'all? So guys, like I said, we're going to go in and we're going to glue. I use my hot glue gun just because it's extremely fast. Faster than the E40 glue or whatever that is. Yeah, it's much faster and it dries faster. So what I basically did was, you see how I'm telling you not to cover it? Just like that. Don't cover it. The next thing we're gonna do is, kind of see how the shoe's gonna be looking. You gotta place it, see if it's the right placement. On your shoe, there should be a part, an outside loop on the outside right there. If you do want to do it on the outside, you can. If you want to do it on the inside, you can. It all depends on your preference. I think I put it on the inside just because I realized my leathers didn't match exactly. So I put it on the inside. And I folded it just so it could be a little bit easier to, make sure that they're even when you fold it. Yeah, so I just basically did that. But using a hot glue gun is the hardest thing to do, especially when the glue is running out. But you're basically just gluing it in there. Put extra, if you're gonna do it on the outside of it, put extra glue on the outside. Everywhere that the fabric is touching, put glue there so that it will stay. And there you have it, guys. It is all finished just like that. Let it dry, add your laces, you know what I'm saying? And you're done, and you have beautiful babies.
sominsa, 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 odobra, sominsa.
I know the shy. Sexy vanilla.
It on the belt.